See guys, I have a problem again with my transmission. I just replace it. Gotta go on 11. The truck accelerates itself. I don't accelerate anything. The truck is doing it. See, right now I stopped. Transmission doesn't want to actually manuals doesn't want to work anymore. Piece of junk. We'll turn off. I need to get home. 85 more miles. Come on. Let's see if it's gonna go right first. Oh, final. Now we have to drive manual, because if it goes in second, I have to put on third. If it goes on second, fourth, now we're gonna go on fifth. That's how we're gonna start shifting. Gotta go on 7. Only half transmission is working. Now we can go. I gotta go on 9. That's how we're gonna go. Piece of junk. PACCAR transmission, automatic. Now we're gonna switch to 11. If we switch 10 or 12, we're gonna get stuck again. Gotta lift this hill. If we're not hit this hill, we're not gonna make it. Let's go one more time. 11. Good. Now let's stay there. If I put on 12, it goes back at 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2, and I have to stop again. My half transmission is not working.